out here. Up here. Up. Can you get both feet on? 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 Can you get both feet on?
She doesn't want it.
Oh, you almost got. Good job. That's how you
on her
do
lap?
it.
You on her lap. That's how you do it.
Yeah, I'll give her another piece so you can take the picture now. So slow, slow. Go down, 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 down.
Taking a video.
Oh, right. Happy. You see? You can just repeat if you just put 2 paws on.
You're so silly.
Happy, 2 paws. Good girl. Now, don't have to get your whole body on. Good girl.
Oh my gosh, Happy, careful.
Happy, you just gotta. Oh, good girl.
Come here. Oh my gosh.
Good girl. You could have the
She doesn't have food. Happy?
Would you like a little piece of this? What's this? Can she eat this?
I don't know what that is. Oh, I think it's like, no, I don't know what that is. Come here, Happy! Xing Xing, come here.
Shing shing, Happy. I'll give you a little bit more. I hope you.
Where is she?
Happy,
Bring it to her food area and stuff.
Happy,
Happy.
Happy. Good girl.
Come here, it's on the couch. Take her to the couch.
Happy.
Did she get her medicine yet?
Which medicine? No medicine? Oh, a little bit. Oh.
Well, do you guys can use her when he gets back from back to school night.
Up. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Now this time I'm gonna teach you an expert. I taught her how to beg and spin. Come on, get on the couch. Up here, Happy. Let's do Happy. Up. Happy. Let's first do our spin.
Up on the couch.
Happy. You want it? It's over here.
Get it,
First you gotta spin. First Happy. First Happy. Spin. 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 Spin.
Okay, yeah, give it to her.
Okay. Now up. Up. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Now you have to get down. 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 Down.
Give it to me.
Down. Happy. Happy. Down. Down. Down.
Oh, hi.
Hi. Happy, down. 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 Oh, good girl. Now Happy, spin. And now beg and spin. Can you beg and spin? Can you